Hey y'all, we are going to do a crock pot meal today. It's crock pot, honey mustard, pork chops, and potatoes. I'll show you the crock pot portion in a second. But this is supposed to be a marinade that you're supposed to use for the meat. But I'm going to go ahead and put it directly into the crock pot instead of letting everything marinate. You can do either one. Alright, so this is a half a cup of honey. And then you need a half a cup of spicy brown mustard. Mix that with it. Okay, and a half teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Okay. So you'll mix all that together, and at this point you would put it on the pork chops and put it in a freezer bag and just let it marinate all day in that. Or at least for overnight, something like that. Alright, so here's the mixture. Alright, let's walk over to the crock pot. Okay, so we're over at the crock pot now. And what you're going to do is you're going to spray it inside of your crock pot. Go ahead and get it plugged up and cut on and everything. We're going to probably do this on high. You need about a pound's worth of potatoes cut up and placed on the bottom. And then I'm going to pour an envelope, bring this mix over the top. Pour your marinade over the top of the pork chops after you place those over the potatoes. And probably best at this time to put the onion soup mix over this, but I put it in between. I think it's going to be fine. And then the last thing that you need to do, take a half stick of butter and just slice it and place it on top. This needs to cook 6 to 8 hours on high, but you could probably get by with 6 to 8 hours on low and about 4 hours on high. I'm using bone-in pork chops, but you can also use boneless. Alright, I'll see you back here in a few hours. Okay, y'all, this is the end result of the honey mustard pork chops with potatoes. I don't even think I did them for the exact time on the recipe, but everything checks out. Everything's done, meat's done, and the potatoes are fork tender, so this seems like a winner for dinner. See y'all next time.